Malakaugma san pagturutanaw sa nakaaging panahon. Ang pag-urup-urup na ang satong kadipisilan nga na kay bana sa istoryang si imong pigangisyan. Maunuman na sa aton iselebrar ang mga trayumpo ngan pag-iribahan. Sa aton na ipresentar ang legasiyang padagos na ibabandera maski sa din man. Celebrating the 56th year of the existence of Jovellar National High School. Valuing the past, strengthening ties, and weaving legacies. We give you Bayanihan sa Pagturuparan, Jovellar National High School Grand Alumni Homecoming. Traces its humble beginnings as a small barangay high school. Jovellar National High School was founded in 1968 through the benevolent acts of the school community and the generosity of the late Mayor Jose Boy Arcangel. Even with financial infrequencies, the school reopened in 1977 and continues to provide quality education presently. Throughout the years, the school family grew bigger, more resilient and recognizable, producing globally competitive graduates through the dedication of hardworking administrators and teachers. Jovellar National High School continues to mold young Jovellareños in reaching their best potentials and entering into a social environment as highly productive and successful members. Sa kasalukuyan, katuwang ang 72 dedikadong guro at kawani, patuloy nating ginagabayan ang mahigit 1,500 mag-aaral mula junior hanggang senior high school. The school continues its legacy in fostering lifelong learning opportunities for the betterment of the alma mater, the community, and our kapwa Jovellareños. Proving to be one of the best public schools under the Schools Division of Albay, Jovellar National High School. Bantayog nin kadunungan, simbolo nin pag-arandurugan, futuro nin kabataan. Progreso Jovellar, ipadagos ta!